Welcome back to DSpace channel. So tarigi lesson de watching a probability ki thoka so do shudo. Then with the probabilities la bi capsule probability simply means chances mola. It simply means chances mola like or chances or occurring or happening mola. Event ch happen beni da ya ch occur beni ge chances lam mola. Let's say chances of occurrence mola. Chances of occurrence. Penalu kadim chi benga chigi yachin mola ball chi back ball sum de chi back no chu bebe tele nga chi ball color different mi bawchin. Let's say red, blue and green ye watching nga chi kadem chi be lap ma chu mi to mata be ball chi thuachin color blue oni ki chances kam chi san zu mola. That's an example bawchin. So ani zumbe usually probability ki theka have the value is expressed between 0 and 1 la. Number of probability ki nalu have the value the expressed between 0 and 1 ki pano te ani di like the probability of getting blue ball out of 3 is 1/3 mola anzume fraction no me bola so ani venidi the value always lies between 0 and 1 the 0 labachi will never occur la mugala 0 labachi will never occur, there's no chances back nalu blue, red and green ball yabachin black ball happen be any chances the era me bati magala black ball the era me minalo anzumbe 0 bawachindi it will never occur imagala tele kadam chibo 1 bawachi it will definitely occur simabala pena there are 3 red balls in a back and if you pick one ball randomly then what will be the probability of getting a red ball out? It will probably mapra happen be matla imagala there's 3 chances out of 3 so 3/3 means 1 imagala so that's how 1 means it will definitely happen and 0 means it will not happen la that's love to me probability ki value is 0 and 1 ki panalo fractions na be me so ani bodol examination ki time nalu la problems tisula ache examination point of view na leta wachin problems tisu kachi ki thaka woni la bachin usually dice kila achi mola parla chini ki dice tisu thaka woni talen coin gi dice ki nalu the six sided mola andika ratio there are six sided coin the watch two face mola head and tail gi tele card yo langa chi card nalu de like ma chho chi like card game chemi disu gi shino there are 52 cards bola tele card tele ball this ki thoka woni balls mola hansun bodalo ansu usually ani ji ki thoka mola want ani ji ki thokara ani ngachi problems to expect be subseshini so tele ngachi ki kachi ko lawachin da dice kin da chilera shu mola there are 6 faces mola 1 2 3 4 5 6 here 6 sides here dice nalu the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 be coin kin nalu bawachin head and tail bola ngachi two faces mola yachi either head thyo yachi tail thyo se tele card kin nalu bawchi ta balls ki different colors mola colors ki thyo te card kina 52 cards yesala ana 52 card nalu nagi kasya gola wachin 52 cards yesale ngachi ki 13 sets be bola 13 be it's divided into 4 sets la analu ngachi ki 13 be 52 di 13 be same be ngachi ki divide be la wachin first ki the heart la heart ki nalu kade mola wachin ngachi card ki nalu ani heart shape ombola symbol love sign ki symbol be this is heart shape ki magala tele second ki the watch spade la the spade selabi ki capsule ngachi shegola spade di usually ane be love sign ulta zumbe be tele ma rato yedu zumbe ane thombola it looks somewhat like this la ngachi ane be card heart ni spade di watchin heart ti ane so zumbe tele spade gi shelara tele diamond la ngachi ki the diamond shape ti watchin it's symbolized like this la card kinalu khongi 52 cards esale anizum sign emigila heart sign emigi 13 ye spade sign emigi 13 ye diamond sign emigi 13 ye tele last ki dela cups la sorry cubes shape emigi 13 la cube shape di kade mon lawachin it will look like a tree la mapa anebra ye tanebe anzum shape ki on la mapa cards play mabe mi gaye me don ka rishi don so ani bodalu la anism 52 cards is it is divided into 4 parts and 4 animal categories nalu there are 13 heart shape be 13 ye spade shape be 13 ye diamond shape be 13 ye dele cube shape be 13 ye ani she gola dele ani she shimle dele ngachki face card se bola tro face card la the face card lab the face card tikachmola wachin face card simply means analu ngachi ani card che udalu ngachi face card di usual kachka chona chi king gi face pe mi chela king tele queen tele jack la so ani bodalu there are king ki face card be me 4 hai, queen ki face card be me 4 hai, jack ki face card be me 4 hai la. There are 12 face cards la. So an boda ane shego delen ngachi ki probability ki formula di bawachin la. Probability ki formula bawachin. Probability of an event E happening la. Let's say event E happening bawachin. It will be number of events E can occur la. N E divided by N S. The ani di kachmola bawachin probability of E event happening la. Pena E event di bawachin. Ani di E event la dalu anata di number of la. Number of ways la. Number of ways event E can occur la. And total number of possible ways la. And the sample size la. This is the sample size la. And the sample size la. Tele anita gidi bawachin event la. Hanalu kachila mila wachin example bengai changing la. Example back chinalu 3 balls here wachin la. 3 balls here wachin. Let's say this is red, this is green, and this is blue la. There are 3 balls out of different colors imagala. So on the number of total number of possible ways la. Analu ball comes to possible the 3 but imagala. 3 balls here sa le samples di bawachin 3 balls here and 3 balls here sa le mito mato lapsube 1 ball randomly tembachin. Let's say what is the chances of getting let's say blue la. Blue color chance bawachin the analu bawach probability of getting blue imagala is equals to n event blue the watching come here. There's only one blue imagala out of 3 balls. So 1 by 3 this any go the number of samples imagala. Probability of event B occurring is equals to number of ways event B can occur divided by total number of samples la. How go mula anita gi the watching kadimchi possible ways male thudalu chances la khogi theni ki chances divided by total number la. How go mula so an bada blue thop nigidi there's only one chance by 3 so that is 1 by 3 the anime thop to be. So now we'll move on with the questions la. So as we move on with the questions nage how go la nachi question to solve baby jo gale problems this nage ya familiarize jo mola delen concept ya sap sap this ana thop subla. So let's go on with the first question la. The first question ki kasla mela wachin a fair 6-sided dice is rolled mola. A fair 6-sided dice la wachin dice ti kane mabe mila fair be mola fair dice la wachin la dice ki size kara equal mola na 1 let's say ana 2 bocha ana 1 2 3 and some fair size ana le kachi kuchi pok mako ko gi mola kachi ken majumigi normal lejum bera dice ti and fair 6-sided dice ti ma 6-sided mola is roll se mola ane be roll be odalu ngachi ane be sakha ko be roll be odalu. What is the probability of rolling an even number lola? So dice na lu ngai tachile shi 1 2 3 4 5 6 side ye se imagala number hai 1 2 3 4 5 6 city be se. So analu number of event E happening la. Number of event E happening di kachi mela. Probability of rolling an even number analu 2 analu 4 analu 6 imagala. So ani bodalu number of event occurring is 2 4 and 6 which is 3 imagala out of 6 le 3. So total number of samples la. Total number of possible outcomes the watching dice the unable roll bodalu number come chi hosi la yachi 1 ho yachi 2 ho yachi 3 ho. So possible outcomes symbol and last ki the number of total sample the possible outcomes ani bodalu possible outcomes the 1 hosi 2 hosi 3 hosi 4 hosi 5 hosi and kara hosi with mola. So it can be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So there are 6 total number of sample the dice the number of roll bodalu 6 ho. Total possible outcomes the tele yage probability of event E happening that is getting even number is another version 1 2 3 megala. So ani bodalu now simply we will write probability of event E happening is equals to NE over NS la imagala. So ani bodalu simply you will write 3 over 6 3 1 is 3 3 2 is 6 so which is half la 1 by 2. So ani bit la how go mula. So now na say examination time the formula did over me directly NE comes in and directly 1 by 3 by 6 which in simplified version 1 by 2 sit in rai. Tale question number 2 na jogila chi. Let's move on with question number 2. The question number 2 ki kachla mela wachin what is the probability of getting a sum 9 from 2 throw of a dice lola. The dice the ni ko ni me bola dice ni ko ni me. So they are going to throw 2 dice imagala 2 dice to analu they are going to throw 2 dice. Anale, what is the probability of getting a sum 9 rola? And dice, let's say any dice chi imagala. Throw anale dice do. Ani dice ni kob dalu khoni plus bodalu equal to 9 la. Let's say analu 3 themba, let's say analu 4 10 analu 1 2 3 4 5 themachin. 5 and 4 domdalu we will get 9 imagala. So ani zumbe possible outcomes sorry, possible outcomes kadimchi o sibe semabala 9 thopni ki chances kamchi sembe dice ni roll bodalu imagala. So ani bodalu hemara number of sample more total possible outcomes tanila. Possible outcomes the first dice tinalu 1 thembachin, second dice nalu 1 thensi imagala. First dice nalu 1 bach, second dice the 2 thensi 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 possible chances sevate imagala. Teichora thibera the second first dice nalu number 2 thembachi, second dice na tore 1 toro 2 2 2 3 2 4 se an zumbe just anything I chelo hagoni tunu temila. Analu number 1 thembera debachin anigi 6 ways themala mola, and there are 6 ways. Torana 2 boda torani ge 6 ways ani zumbe ani 1 2 3 4 6 watch ani ge 6 thembala. So that's why simply analu anibe 2 ge 6 imagala, ana 3 ge 6 theu, 4 ge 6 theu, 5 ge 6 theu, 6 ge 6 thembala. Kadibe 6 ki 6 thembala watch dropazo jojo bachin. First dice nalu let's say 6 6 6 3 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Let's say first dice the roll bodara 6 theme. So dice ni chika roll bodo. So second dice ki 1 theme 6 theme dal, first ki 6 theme, second ki 1, first ki 6 theme, second ki 2, first ki 6 theme, second ki 3. Ani zum bodolo there are 6 possible ways imagala. 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6 pe migi 6 tu bate imagala. So possible outcomes the number biro ngachigi possible outcomes la. If ani bodolo anna the possible total possible outcomes the bachin simply and as the bachin we will multiply 6 into 6 la. The possible outcomes the anibe chhe demogola namnas examination lu. First dice chi roll bachin we have 6 mola. Second dice chi roll bachin we have again 6. Third dice chi roll bach again it will give 6. So dice sum roll bach its possible outcome will be 6 into 6 into 6. Tibo dalu tato ngachigi question lu it is rolling 2 dice only imagala. So 2 dice times roll bodalu we just have to multiply 6 into 6, so which is 36. So ngachigi total possible outcome is 36 la. 36 gadi thopcha shemola ani ngai explain be analu first dice na 1 thema, second na 2 thensi 1 thensi kache thensi. So anzumera possible dibe deba chindi ani 6 thensi jotubala tele ngachigi first thopchi mola the now number of event la number of event di bawachin tato kachi mola ngachi number of event di sum 9 thopni gi matala imaga sum 9 thopni gi. So ani bodalu sum 9 di kachi kachi ki thopsi la bachinda sum 9 di kachi kachi thopsi la bachin ngachi ki nale be jonela hemara yala ma be jodalu. Let's say first nalu 2 thembachinda, first dice na 2 thembachin sum 9 thopni gi denlu ngachi ki 7 thop gomola 7 8 9 says the dice nalu 6 thensari. So ani 2 le mitube so 3 emagala there are there's 3 and 6 can be one pair imagala. Tichora thibe ta ani 3 di turunga chi number chi 4 zawachin 5 imagala. 4 and 5 can be one pair. Tichora thibe turu phagi nalu 5 and 4 imagala tele 6 and 3 ani 4 possible ways chance to bala. First dice nalu 3 10, second na 6 10 machin, that is one chance imagala. First dice nalu 4 10, second gina 5 10 machin, that's another chance. This is where first dice nalu 5 10 bebe, second dice na 4 10, that's another possible chance. First dice nalu 6 10 bebe, second dice nalu 3 10, that's another possible chance imagala. So ani bodalu number of event e occurring bola, number of event e occurring di dato the possible ways of getting sum 9 is 1 2 3 4. There are 4 pairs imagala. So ne or getting event e is there is 4 la hagoy mola ani beshimle ngachigi simply mola the formula na chuni raila. The formula na kade chuni probability of event e happening is equals to probability of a number of event e possible divided by total number mola total outcome. So 4 over 36 la. So 4 over 36 can be further reduced to 4 1 is 4, 4 9 is 36, that is 1 by 9 is the possible outcomes la. How mola ani di ani solve pe tele let's move on with question number 3 la the question number 3 gi ana lo question number 3 na lo lejumbe zibachin kachitula bachin ngachi gi lapmela there are 6 balls in a bag room la bag chinalo 6 ball dula which is 3 red 2 are yellow and 1 is blue how go mula bag chinalo let's say this is the plastic and bag mula thapta ni be analo 6 balls la 1 2 3 4 5 6 balls 6 balls ye mela bag chinalo 6 balls ye me anale this 3 balls the first 1 2 and 3 balls the bawachin these are red imebala 3 balls are red remaining anagi 1 ball is blue and 2 is yellow la how mala there are 2 yellow balls 1 blue ball and 3 red balls la ani bodalu what is the probability of picking a yellow or blue ball lola how mala so what is the probability of picking a yellow or a blue ball same mola so an bodalu total number of possible outcomes is 6 the mola 1 2 3 4 5 6 there are 6 ball only 6 possible outcomes batala it can be either red blue yellow imala tele ngachigi an event e happening mola event the watching gas thogobe either yellow or blue the yellow thopni ki probability ni batala imala out of 6 le there is 2 yellow thopni probability plus the blue thopni ki animal probability but there's only 1 imala so ani bodalu 3 chances to batala so the probability of event e happening is equals to ne over ns mola so number of event e can happen in 3 ways divided by total number of sample that is 6 3 1 3 3 2 is 6 so which is 1 by 2 again half la so a half the ani to be so ani how ko go no rewaye now let's move on with question number 4 la so question number 4 kina bawachin ngaji tatuchi shuni la namra beru probability ki thega hebdolo atra anjume simple questions meula sometimes anjume nam some complicated no tawdolo simple thombal te boda it's a very complicated la so an boda leshum bezigo there are different concepts hidden out here so which you should have an idea thopgo bala khache so ani beni digi simply a black plastic bag mola toro plastic bag chinalu a black plastic bag contains 2 red ball 3 green and 2 blue balls imagala so let's say again logdra tatu bag ki shape change vegamala let's say this is the bag we are having so ani bag dinalu there are 2 red ball 3 green ball and 2 blue balls imagala hagamala ani be so which is total number of balls comes to la total number of balls is equals to 7 mola 2 plus 2 is 4 4 plus 3 is 7 so 7 balls do bala the directly number of sample 7 dinina so chin dini meula hemara ngachi question hab gob dinam same khache question juma dollar 7 ball rai me ya te din te ngachi ge total number of possible outcome 70 jagino so chin nagi mistake be mela ani ve ni digi question lejum bel hab gob di khache that zimela if 2 balls are drawn at random lola tata me 2 balls random na draw beni be 2 balls random na draw bochin ngachi gadechi possible ways na draw betubla 2 ball random na hani cheri jago bala 2 balls are drawn at random la bagale now it's a complicated thing tela imagala 7 ball esale 2 ball random be thudalu gadimchi ways na thutubla tamela no somtam be to chi gadimchi ways na thutubela so which is a combination ge problem me bala so ani be ni digi let's say if 2 balls are drawn at random what is the probability that none of the balls drawn is blue lola hagomala so and with the number of total sample the ani vichila ns the gade vichego ngachigi 7 ball esale we are going to draw 2 balls at random so which can be done in 7c2 la combination ke problem me 7 ball esale 2 balls random na kadem chi ways na thutubla hani di total number of anila ngachigi possible outcomes the ani di complicated esela midra ani bindi anjum dishego khache bala 2 balls are drawn at random sela bagale it's a different thing imala so bindi directly 7 balls esale ball ni thudalu khamchi ways na thutub that becomes the total number of possible outcomes la not the number 7 how go imala so an bewachin total number of possible outcome ns is 7c2 which is 21 imagala 21 ways nalu and the possible outcomes the 21 ways to bola. Now NE la, NE, which is none of the ball drawn is blue lola. How go mola? None of the ball drawn is blue. The ane complicated kachila wachin ball blue memidilo. How go mola? So there ball blue member chin tamel lejume none of the balls drawn is blue. So which means we should ignore the blue color ball imebola. So there are 2 blue color balls. So 7 years ale 2 blue color balls remaining 5 imagala. 5 tibodalo ani 5 le we are picking 2 at a random. So 5C2. Analu complicated at chithong tibodalo lejumbe lo sort out bachin complicated kanemila. Tachiana number of total samples the hago. Total number of samples is 7 ball men. 7 lengachi 2 random mithundi kadimchi ways na thutup ani the total number of possible outcomes the 21 ways imagala. The 21 ways the question di bachin what is the probability that none of the balls drawn is blue lola. None of the balls drawn is blue. So ani bachin blue machu ave so balls come chilisila 5 ani 5 nalengachi comes to the 2 at a time to the imagala. So we are 2 at a time to the lu which should not get blue balls in batala. So this can be done in 5C2. So 5 balls remaining nale we are going to pick up 2 random balls, which is combination problem to loktra selection game mo. So mito mato to nimbe so an bodulu this can be done in 5C2. How mola? So 5 komate 5C2 ve thutup. So an bodulu simply ngachigila probability of event E happening is NE over NS la. So an bodulu simply ngachigi anebe chunerain la tatuina bawachin yamola 5C2 divided by 7C2, which is also 10 by 21 la. 5C2 की value the 10 थी 7C2 की value the 21 थी. So the probability of getting a color ball which is not blue out of 7 balls drawn 2 random balls at a time bawachin the answer is 10 by 21 la. Ani achi complicated do log tara log gulebe sachi log rewind baby tawachin na how ko se shudo. Let's move on with question number 5 la. So 4 kids so slow. Now let's move on with question number 5 la. So ani bodalo question number 5 ti bawachin kadibu dula bachin. Let's look at question number 5 mola. 5 is simple dula. From a pack of 52 cards, 1 card is drawn at random lo. How go mola? Ani the problem me wala 52 years 1 card randomly draw, but what is the probability of getting a face card lola? Tamegam chi simple do imagala. Tachilera showing agi nalu NS la total number of card is 52 imagala tatudi question half sai batala and vending achi chechi mola. 1 card is drawn, 1 card drawn low, 1 ball drawn low. So the answer problem create me bola. It's very simple la. Complicated kanemi, but 2 balls drawn at random low, 2 balls are drawn low. Answer bodalu ani suginaludi there are different possible outcomes to bola. So ani when combinations this help take bola. But in this case, this one is very simple la. From a pack of 52 cards, 1 card is drawn at random lo imagala. So 52 is 1 card draw me random na. What is the probability of getting a face card lola? Number of event E happening. Face card the touchler there are 12 face cards mola. King 4A, Queen 4A, Jack 4A. So I when the 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 3 is 12. So 12 possible outcomes here. Imagala. Divo dalu. Probability of getting event E is equals to number of event E happening divided by total number of sample, that is NS, which is 12 by 52 la. Hanabe ngachigi NED 12 sai mola divided by NS, which is 52. Imagala. So this can be further reduced mola. 4 3 is 12, 4 13. So an badalu probability of event E happening is 3 by 13 la. Now let's look at question number 6 la. Through ane namsame complicated chi to bada complicated is so that namsame sajalango kanemi ane ngachigi we have to take the help of combination gila directly solve pachi thopso banamsame lakhae, so we'll take the help of combination. So ane bodalu from a pack of 52 cards mola from a pack of 52 cards 2 cards are drawn together at random ta hagoi mola ta chizo mera 52 cards yesale we are going to draw 2 cards at random, so which is we have to again take the help of combinations. 52c2 mola 2 cards draw beni random possible amche. What is the probability that one is spade and one is heart lola hagoi mola, so this becomes our ns la. Total number of samples 52 cards yesale 2 are drawn at random, so which becomes 52c2 imagala hagoi mola, so which is 52c2 की formula calculate बतालो we get 1326 la. So total possible outcomes is 1326 la. So number of events की मोल तबिंदी what is the probability that one is spade and one is heart la. Number of possible event is one is spade and one is heart lo mola heart chi heart thok gobe chi spade thok gobe. So this can be done in spade come chela. I already told you 13 years issue mala 13c1 the first one chances mala first one the ngachigi like 52 cards le cards ni random be thudalu ane ni random be thuda the first card the spade only ki chances the 13 cards sevatala spade ani 13 nale there is only one chance mala ani ni esale chi thu ni thudalu first card ki lola bedola to ni draw bedolu first card ki lola. So first card can be spade in 13c1 ways imagala, so multiplied by the second card dinalu heart thinigia there is 13c1 la. So and bodalu 13c1 into 13c1 will be ngachiga anal bodalu we will get 169 la. So 13c1 multiplied by 13c1 is 169. So and bodalu number of probability of getting event E is equals to NE divided by NS mola, so which is 169 divided by 1326, which can be further reduced to 13 by 102 la. So this is the answer la, and simply la ngachi just first na concept tachi how ko do zumbera ani how ko dikha che ani concept how question le, then it's very simple. So let's move on with question number 7 la. Question number 7 the che move on bege. So question number 7 the bawachinda, let's read the question mola first. From a pack of 52 cards 2 cards are drawn at random together. Turute jamola 52c2 total number of possible outcomes. What is the probability of both the cards being king lola? How mola probability of getting both the cards king imevatala. So ani beodalu hanalu nam some complicated kanemi, it's a very simple thing la. Total number of possible outcomes is NST 52c2 mola 52c2 ways nalu thutu, which is tachila turka club 1326 mola 52c2 is 1326 tele takasla mela. What is the probability of both the cards being king lola? Number of event E happening give possible the bawachin kade mola ta ngachki face card come chela. There is 4 face card mola, out of which we are going to ani 4 face card lu pick bodalu 4 face card esale 4 face card ma 4 king esale ngachi lapchu be thudalu king thopni chances the 4 esale 2 ra imbatala, because we are picking only 2 imagala. There's 4c2 ways na tup, so which is 6. So ani bodalu probability of event E happening will be NE over NS mola, so which is 6 by 1326, which can be further reduced to 1 by 221 la. Answer how mola. So last question number, let's move on with question number 18 la. Question number 18 the a bucket contains 20 tickets lola. That is watch it very simple mola. Bucket chinalu 20 tickets to wala 20 tickets rolled and 20 tickets the roll bebe chanu starting from number 1 to 20 la 20 tickets bodalu number 1 2 3 4 le 20 since me anale what is the probability of getting a multiple of 3 and 5 if a ticket is drawn at random lola how we mola. So another NS this simply 20 tickets do tela tanalu NE probability of getting multiple of 3 the 5 to so multiple of 3 is 3 6 9 12 mola tele 15 tele 18 tele 20 the metu te mola 3 ge multiple watching 3 6 9 12 15 18 and 21 bodol 21 didi yura mi tela 20 century me so an we am chai tele 5 kilo 5 ki 5 10 15 they already added no mala so we will not double me be so 5 10 and 20 so come to the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 multiple of 3 and 5 there are 9 possible do so probability of getting event E is equals to 9 by 20 tela simply so probability ki lesson de bahut chanim chirai so thank you so much la